Where has NATO military exercise Cold Response 2022 begin? Norway. Where has 35th Surajkund International Crafts Mela begun? Haryana. Who has been appointed as MD and CEO of TCS? Rajesh Gopinath. The Asian Cricket Council (ACC) has unanimously extended the tenure of President Jay Shah for how many years? 1 year. NMDC signs with which institution for drone-based mineral exploration? IIT Kharagpur. UPI Lite on device wallet is launched by National Payment Corporation of India (NPCI). Name the institute which becomes the first to offer digital payment to non-interest users. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. For how many years government increased timeline for startup for converting debt investment into equity? 10 years. Name the institute which celebrates its 83rd Rising Day on 19 March 2022. CRPF. Which government has awarded Suresh Raina with Sports Icon Award? Maldives government. Name the player who has won Sports Star S 2022 award. Neeraj Chopra. Who won F1 Bahrain Grand Prix 2022? Charles Leclerc. Who won Asian Billiards title for 8th time? Pankaj Advani. What is the rank of India in United Nations World Happiness Report 2022? 136th position. Who launched Road to 1000 book? Sportstar and The Hindu Group. Who launched More Than Just Surgery, Life Lesson Beyond the OT book? Dr. Tehemton Erach Udvadia. International Forest Day is observed on 21st March. What is the theme of World Sparrow Day 2022? लव स्पैरो और ये 20 मार्च को मनाया जाता है. ऑन विच डे इंटरनेशनल डे फॉर एलिमिनेशन ऑफ रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन इज ऑब्जर्व्ड? 21 मार्च को, और इसकी थीम थी वॉइसेस फॉर एक्शन अगेंस्ट रेसिज्म. वर्ल्ड ओरल हेल्थ डे इज ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन 20 मार्च. थीम थी इसकी बी प्राउड ऑफ योर माउथ. वर्ल्ड पोइट्री डे इज ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन 21 मार्च. वर्ल्ड डाउन सिंड्रोम डे इज ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन 21 मार्च. थीम थी इसकी एल्यूजन मीन्स. वर्ल्ड वाटर डे इज ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन 22 मार्च. थीम थी इसकी ग्राउंड वाटर मेकिंग द इनविजिबल विजिबल. Who has penned his autobiography titled Rest Assured, an autobiography? Former cricketer G.R. Vishwanath. Who has won Indian Super League trophy? Hyderabad FC. 9th Lemite 2022 joint military exercise begins between India and which country? Seychelles. Who has commissioned the Indian Coast Guard ship ICGS Saksham? Dr. Ajay Kumar. Who became the first African to win Pritzker Prize 2022? Francis Kere. Smart Hub Vyapar program AutoFirst app was launched by HDFC Bank. Who has become the member of UN Advisory Board? Indian economist Jayati Ghosh. Who has become Chief Minister of Manipur lately? N. Biren Singh. Dol Utsav or Dol Jatra festival is celebrated in which state? West Bengal. Who has become the new president of Turkmenistan? Serdar Berdimukhe-Dob. Tamil Nadu's Narsingpetai Nageshwaram got geographical identification tag under which category? Musical instrument. Somilo Bobe Maiga passes away. He was the former Prime Minister of which country? Mali. Shahabuddin Ahmad passes away lately. He was the president of which country? Bangladesh. World Meteorological Day is observed on 23rd March. Theme थी इसकी अर्ली वार्निंग एंड अर्ली एक्शन. शहीद दिवस is observed on 23rd March. What is the rank of Lakshya Sen in All England Open Badminton Championship 2022? इनकी रैंक थी सेकंड और एक्सेल सेन ने इनको हरा दिया था फाइनल्स में. एट व्हाट परसेंट फिच रेटिंग फोरकास्ट इंडियाज जीडीपी फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2023? 8.5%. The third edition of ex-Dastalik exercise between India and which country? उज्बेकिस्तान. एक एक्सरसाइज और गई है हमारी इसी सेशन में. 9th लिमिटे एक्सरसाइज थी वो, और वो थी इंडिया और सेशल्स के बीच में, और ये है एक्स दस्तलिक जो कि इंडिया और उज्बेकिस्तान के बीच में है. अकॉर्डिंग टू नाइट फ्रैंक, व्हाट इज द पोजीशन ऑफ इंडिया इन ग्लोबल हाउस प्राइस इंडेक्स Q4 2021? 51st रैंक है. According to IQ Air's 2021 World Air Quality Report, which is the world's most polluted capital? Delhi. Name the company which acquires freelance entrepreneur network Gig India. PhonePe. Who became 11th CM of Uttarakhand? Pushkar Singh Dhami. On which day Bihar Day is observed? 22nd March. 110th एनिवर्सरी थी इसकी. नेम द स्टेट और यूनियन टेरिटरी विच हैज़ इम्प्लीमेंटेड ई विधान एप्लीकेशन प्रोग्राम टू बिकम पेपरलेस असेंबली. नागालैंड. विच कंट्री बिकम्स हॉटेस्ट प्लेस ऑन अर्थ? कुवैत. 53.2 डिग्री सेल्सियस का टेम्परेचर. इंटरनेशनल डे फॉर द राइट टू द ट्रूथ इज ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन 24th March. What is the theme of World TB Day? Invest to end TB, save lives. The TB Day is observed on 24 March. Name the author of book titled Unfilled Barrels, India's Oil Story. Richa Mishra. A player, Ashley Barty, announces her retirement is belong to which game? Tennis. Who won Abel Prize for 2022? Dennis Parnell Sullivan. Name the person who became the first para-athlete to receive Padma Bhushan. Devendra Jajaria. What is the theme of 73rd Annual National Conference of Indian Psychiatric Society? Bridging Minds, Connecting Generations. ये इसकी थीम थी और विशाखापट्टनम में प्रोग्राम हेड हुआ था. Who addressed the Gulf Countries Investment Summit at SKICC Srinagar? Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha. What is the theme of Wings India 2022? India at the rate of 75, New Horizon for Aviation Industry, और ये ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया था मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ सिविल एविएशन और FICCI हैदराबाद में. ICICI बैंक tied up with which institution to launch co-branded credit card? चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स के साथ. Name the bank which launched Green Deposits Program. DSB Bank. RBI cancelled the license of which bank? People's Cooperative Bank Limited, कानपुर का. MTech in Industrial Artificial Intelligence is launched by IIT Madras with TCS. Name the institute which builds a new interdisciplinary water management and policy center known as AquaMap to address India's water issue. IIT Madras. Which state became first to introduce carbon neutral farming methods? Kerala. According to Union Civil Aviation Ministry, how many new airports to be created by 2025? 220. Who launched virtually Biplobi Bharat Gallery in Bengal? Narendra Modi. Stephen Willard passes away recently. He was the creator of Graphics Interchange Format GIF. Who was Ramesh Chandra Lahoti, who passed away recently? Former Chief Justice of India, 35th Chief Justice थे ये इंडिया के, और इनका टेन्योर था 1 जून 2004 से 1 नवंबर 2005. International Day of Remembrance of the Victims of Slavery and Transatlantic Slave Trade 2022 Day is observed on 25th March. थीम थी इसकी Stories of Courage resistance to slavery and unity against racism. International Day of Solidarity with Detained and Missing Staff Members 2022 is observed on 25th March. Name the author of the book titled The Little Book of Joy. 14th Dalai Lama, Tenzin Gyatso and Archbishop Desmond. Name the governor of the Central Bank of Chile who has won the Governor of the Year award at Central Banking Awards 2022. Mario Marcel. Name the country which will host Four Nations for Bersama Shield 2022 military exercise. मलेशिया, और ये 4 कंट्रीज़ है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, न्यूजीलैंड, सिंगापुर एंड यूनाइटेड किंगडम. नेम द एक्सरसाइज विच इंडियन आर्मी, अग्निबाज डिवीजन एंड महाराष्ट्र पुलिस कंडक्टेड जॉइंटली. सुरक्षा कवच 2. नेम द इंस्टीट्यूट विच लॉन्च्ड अ रिटेल टेक कंसोर्टियम. IIT Ahmedabad. Name the person who has been elected as a Fellow of the Royal Society of Edinburgh in Scotland. Kiran Majumdar Shah. Name the person who has been appointed as interim MD and CEO of CSB Bank. Pralay Mandal. Who has been appointed as MD and CEO of Maruti Suzuki. Hisashi Takeuchi. Name the body, institute which issued first wildlife conservation bond to save African black rhino. World Bank. Who is Deputy CM of Uttar Pradesh? Keshav Prasad Maurya and Brijesh Pathak.